Hello everyone! For today's digital photography lesson on eCampus, we are going to start learning about photo editing. And today we're going to make a photo card as an editing project. So for learning objectives, today we're going to understand why photo editing is done, why people do it. We're going to look at different types of photo editing that you will get to try later. And we're going to explore the photo editing process on a photo editor app called Pixlr. Today's activity, you're going to create your own photo card using Pixlr from one of the photos you have taken earlier this term. Alright, so let's get started. Now, what is photo editing? Very simply, photo editing is just changing an image, okay? There will be a before and there will be an after. Now, why do people do that? Number one is to make photos look better. Of course, you want to make your picture look the best they can. So it could be simple things like changing the color or the brightness, the light, to make the photo look even nicer. Next, people might photo edit because they want to make a feeling in their photo. Okay, for this, they will add something we call a filter effect. Okay, putting like a color over the picture, a filter. People might also want to make money, okay? So they might photo edit photos for commercial purposes. Maybe to make a movie poster to sell and make money. Maybe to make a food advertisement. Or it could even be a photo calendar or photo cards that you're doing today. And of course, last but not least, people photo edit for fun, okay? There's a lot of funny memes on the internet, a lot of Photoshop fails. All these are types of photo editing that's done for fun, okay? So that's why people do it. Now, there are three main types of photo editing we're going to explore today. The first is called adjusting. So for adjusting, all you need to do is to work on the picture you have. Is it you want to cut out parts of the picture? That is called cropping. Okay, like the first picture you see on top. Or it could even be just improving the color or the light in your picture. Too dark, too bright, you can change it. The color too dull or too vibrant, you can also change it. Okay, so this is called adjusting, working with the current photo itself. Now, the next effect is called filtering. Okay, this is the next step. This is something where we add a color effect over the picture to create a feeling. Okay, so we're going to explore filter effects today as well. Okay, the last type of photo editing we're going to do is called decorating. Okay, so this is something more fun. You get to add things like text, stickers, or borders in your picture. Okay, borders are things that go all around, like an outline. All right, so everyone, today we're going to learn how to use a new app called Pixlr. This is a photo editor app that's free. Okay, on Pixlr, we're going to follow the three types of photo editing. Okay, we're going to do it in a step-by-step manner. The first is we're going to adjust our photo. So for this, the two tools we need are crop and rotate and adjust and filter. Okay, later Miss Claire will explore this with you in my demonstration video. The next thing we'll need is filtering. We're going to add and choose our own filter color effect. And finally, we are all going to decorate our own photo card. You can add elements, things like stickers, shapes, borders. You can also add a text. We're going to add an inspirational quote to our picture today. And you can even explore drawing on your own. This is very simply drawing over the picture and adding your own little scribbles. Okay, Miss Claire will not really go through draw, but you can explore that on your own later if you have time. Now, every week of photo editing that we do, we may not need to use every single tool. Okay, so follow my instructions. I will tell you what you need to use for each project. Okay? Now, for today's activity, we are all going to create a photo card using Pixlr. And the photo card that we make is going to use one of the photos that we have taken this term. So Miss Claire has chosen that for you. If you don't like the photo, it's okay. Just use it first. Next time we come back to school, we get to choose our own pictures and do again nicely. Alright? So everyone, today's photo card is going to look simple. Okay, we're going to do some basic adjusting and filtering. We're going to add an effect. Okay, you're going to add a text or a quote. Okay, Miss Claire has 3 examples for you. You can choose be yourself, be happy, never give up, or you can choose friends, stick together. Okay, I've chosen your picture based on these 3. So you can choose the quote that represents your picture best. Okay, once you add the quote, we are also going to add an element to your picture. So what Miss Claire did was I added a border to my picture. Okay, So everyone, these are the steps for today's activity. You need to create a photo card using Pixlr. How? First, you need to either open Chrome or Safari on your computer. You go to this website, www.pixlr.com/x. Miss Claire has also given you the link on the eCampus page, so you can just click the Pixlr button, the word. Okay, and then on eCampus, Miss Claire needs you to download your own PXZ file. So please open the downloaded file on Pixlr. Okay, then you will get to see your photo and you get to create your card. I need to see 4 different photo editing effects. You need to add adjust and filter. You need to add effects. You need to add your element, could be like a simple border that Miss Claire has done. And you need to add a text, an inspirational quote. Okay, for example, be yourself, be happy. Okay, once you're done editing your photo, save, rename, and download your work as a PNG file. And I need you to upload this completed PNG photo card file to your eCampus quiz page. Okay, so follow the instructions for that. You will also need to do a very simple reflection. Okay, now we're going to start the teacher's demonstration. So please watch the next video and understand properly before you go. Okay, so have fun. See you next time.